welcome to a Let's Play video, where today we will be playing Blue CD Battles. Sorry for the wait, it has been a very busy time for me, so I haven't been doing the most videos, but I will try to do more now. So we're going to start off, do a couple videos, games, and then we will maybe, if we're lucky, get to have a versus match against my epic friend. So he has got a Cobra, but the only problem with the Cobra, is that he's no good against groups. So if I just send him quite a few reds, a couple blues. As you can see, he's getting a bit panicky, so I'm alright, I've got quite. I'm getting really panicky. That's why you don't start off with a Cobra. Ever. So I'm going to start getting my defense off with a boomerang thrower. It's got a wizard now, so we can start taking my lives, but later on in the matches, I just send in big groups, get rid of a couple of spies. He has got blacks. Quite grouped. As you can see, he's panicking quite a bit, so he hasn't got the money to spend. I'll get my greens. Really? Only kind of thought wrong there, but if I start getting cluster bombs are quite good because it gets you the power up like multiplier. He's trying me with the yellows that isn't working for him. So I get another boomerang thrower. And start sending him some things. He got quite fast. Oh, I have no camera. I thought I upgraded you to camera. So I am going to lose 3 lives there. But no biggie. So, couple zebras. Get past his defense. So he's not going to like rainbows. Rainbows are going to hurt him. We've experimented that. I just send a couple people. Don't hurt him. What was that? Let's put him in the lead. So zebras are my weeds. Which why are you sending that? So if I go ceramic, yeah, ceramics is dead. See, that ceramic just got through his defense, hardly got damaged and took him. So now on to the next round.